Chapter 5 Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. Exercise 5.1. Question number 1. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Give reasons for your answers. First statement. Only one line can pass through a single point. Answer: false. Here is a point P in a picture and you can see many lines can pass through a point in different direction. Second statement. There are an infinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. Answer: false. Because you can see in the picture P and Q are 2 points, and from P to Q we can draw one line, and from Q to P we can draw only one line. So from P and Q to two distinct points we can draw only one line. Third statement. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both sides. Answer: true. From postulate 2 from Euclid Geometry. Here AB is a terminated line, and a terminated line or line segment can be produced indefinitely on both sides to give a line. Fourth statement. If two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. Answer: true. Equal circles means two circles of equal area. That means pi r1 square is equal to pi r2 square. So r1 is equal to r2, where r1 and r2 are the radius of two circles. Statement 5. In figure 5.9, if AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to XY, then AB is equal to XY. Answer: true. From Euclid's axiom 1, that is, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Question number 2. Give a definition for each of the following terms. Are there other terms that need to be defined first? What are they, and how might you define them? First term, parallel lines. Definition of parallel line. Two straight lines which have no point in common are said to be parallel to each other. And we have to define point and straight line. From the definition from Euclid's definition, that is, a point is that which has no part, and a line is a breathless length. Second term, perpendicular lines. The definition of perpendicular lines. If the angle between two lines is 90 degree, then two lines are perpendicular to each other. Third term, line segment. A line with two endpoints is a line segment. Radius of a circle. Definition, that is, radius of a circle is a line segment whose one end point at center of the circle and another end point on the circumference of the circle. Fifth term, square. Definition of square is a quadrilateral with all sides are equal and all angles are right angle, that means 90 degree. Question number 3. Consider two postulates given below. Number 1. given any two distinct points A and B, there exists a third point C which is in between A and B. Number 2, there exist at least 3 points that are not on the same line. Do these postulates contain any undefined terms? Are these postulates consistent? Do they follow from Euclid's postulates? Explain. Here, postulate 1 says that given 2 points A and B, there is a point C lying on the line in between them. And postulate 2 says that given A and B, there is a point C not lying on the line through A and B. These postulates do not follow from Euclid's postulates. However, they follow from axiom. Question number 4. If a point C lies between 2 points A and B such that AC is equal to BC, then prove that AC is equal to half AB. Explain by drawing the figure. AC is equal to BC given. Adding AC both sides, we get AC plus AC is equal to BC plus AC. 2AC is equal to AB. AC is equal to half AB. Proved. Question number 5. In question 4, point C is called a midpoint of line segment AB. Prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. In this question, we have to prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. So let there be two midpoints C and D. From question 4, AC is equal to half AB and AD is equal to half AB. From 1 and 2, AC is equal to AD, but this is possible only when D coincides C. Therefore, C is the unique midpoint. Proved. Question number 6. If AC is equal to BD, then prove that AB is equal to CD, as in the figure. Proof. AC is equal to BD given. We have to prove AB is equal to CD. AC is equal to BD given, and from the figure we can say that AC is equal to AB plus BC and BD is equal to BC plus CD. In both sides BC is common, so AB is equal to CD. Proved. Question number 7. Why is axiom 5 in the list of Euclid's axioms considered a universal truth? Axiom 5 is the whole is greater than the part. Since this is true for anything in any part of the world, so this is a universal truth. Exercise 5.2. Question number 1. How would you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate so that it would be easier to understand? If L cuts two lines M and N at P and Q points, if angle 1 plus angle 2 is less than 180 degree, then M and N intersect each other left side of PQ. Question number 2. Does Euclid's fifth postulate imply the existence of parallel lines? Explain. Yes, Euclid's fifth postulate implies the existence of parallel lines. If one line falls on two lines, then interior angles are not less than 180. if addition of interior angles are equal to 180, then the lines will not intersect and they become parallel lines. Thank you.